अस्सलामुअलैकुम। मैं आयशा फिरदौस एक बार फिर टीचर्स वर्ल्ड की जानिब से आप तमाम के सामने हाजिर हूँ। आज हमारे साथ है उवैस इनामदार, जो कि ड्रोन बॉय ऑफ इंडिया कहलाते हैं। सो अ पर्सनालिटी हु इंस्पायर्स many students, mashallah. So we'll get to learn from him, and I would like Uyes to actually share his experience and who was his motivation and a very short message for the students. Over to you, Uyes.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम। मेरा नाम उवैस इनामदार है। जैसा मैडम ने आपको बताया कि आई हैव बीन वर्किंग इन ड्रोन टेक्नोलॉजी। So I started my journey when I was 12 years old. I started my first company, Berry Avionics. That time I was not in drone. I got into robotics and building computers, etc. So that was my start. Me and my two sisters, one day we were watching a movie called Steve Jobs Man and Machine. And next day I told my sister, दीदी कितनी अच्छी कंपनी बनाई एप्पल ने। सो उसने कहा उसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात, तू भी बना ले। तो मैंने बोला मैं कौन सी कंपनी बनाऊँ? तो उसने कहा उसने एप्पल बनाया तो तू बेरी बना ले। तो दैट्स हाउ वी स्टार्टेड आवर कंपनी बेरी IIT. Now it's been 10 years. We have impacted over 15,000 plus students across 10 states and 11 cities. We are involved in drone manufacturing, and also we are involved in training businesses. Now we are developing a weather drone which will help to forecast weather, etc. So I've received 25 plus awards, and my inspiration mainly, if I would say, that my first teacher would be my mother, who helped us and always motivated us to do all these things. My mother is a postgraduate, and she did a lot of hard work as being a single parent, and we have reached here now, doing a lot of work across India in training and other businesses. And also I was awarded as India's youngest scientist for developing world's smallest satellite, which is registered in Guinness Book of Record, and was launched from NASA Columbia facility. And also I was honored as India's youngest CEO in a program with Bombay Stock Exchange, etc. And a lot of work. So I would request all the students and teacher to keep up motivating student. If I would have not got a nice teacher of computer who pushed me to learn all these things, so I think I would not be here. And because of my teacher, he helped me to learn CorelDRAW at the age of very young age, like fifth class I started in computers. So he pushed us to do all the things, and his push created a spark in ourselves, and that's what made us do good things. And we look forward to make this company big and do something big for people. Thank you.
सो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, जैसे आपने सुना कि उवैस ने कैसे अपने जर्नी शुरू की और उनके बहन के साथ, एंड हाउ क्यूरियस दे वर टू नो अबाउट एंड टू एक्सप्लोर in this field. And alhamdulillah, he has given the credit to the teacher also. So here I would like to highlight the role of the teacher in one's life, how he received guidance from his teacher. You are the ones who are going to guide them. And if you want further, if you want to conduct workshops on this topic and you want your children to explore in this field, you can definitely check the description and post your request there. We'll definitely reach out to you. And meanwhile, I would like to ask Mr. Uyes to give a message for the students and teachers. Jazakallahu khair. Thanks for watching.
A small message to students. I would want to say that you need to be continuous whatever you're doing. People start startups, people start companies, but they usually say that we failed, the company got shut, or something like that, or anything we do in life. If somewhere we got stuck, we leave that thing. But I want to say that you never should stop, and there is nothing called failure. Failure is like every successful person would say, that failure is a part of the journey, and I believe and follow that said by many people, and I followed to that truly, that you need to be continuous about what you want to do in life. And if you are continuous, you are going to be successful in anything you want. So similarly, I would request students to focus onto that, and I would request teachers to push their students and mainly push them onto what they are passionate about. So we need to be passionate. I like Steve Jobs, and he says that a lot of time that you need to have passion. or in whatever you are doing, because when we see that if any rational person who are just or just started something, he would give up in a journey, because the journey is so difficult that it is going to hit you with a brick in your head and with various challenges. So if you are not passionate about what you want to do, you are going to lose and stop in the way. So you need to be passionate about what you want to do, so that will help you reach the success. And the teachers should support their students onto what they like and understand mainly what are their weaknesses, what are the strengths, and based on that they need to be promoted onto what they want to do in life and future. So it is a great thing that my teachers at the various stages, I would want to say my computer instructor when I was in 6th to 6th class, he supported me, and then our teacher of robotics, he supported us, and I think they supported us in a extraordinary way and at a limitless level. For I want to recall that when I was in school, my school time was 12:30 to about 5:30, but he used to call me, my computer instructor, at 7 o'clock in the morning, and I used to be in school from 7 to 7 in the computer lab doing a lot of things with computers. And my other teachers used to support it, were allowing me to sit in computer lab for a longer period than not attending the other periods and helping me to cover that subject as well. So it is very important, and school gives a platform to the students to do all these things in technology and other things. So this particular school helps students to do something in life. So school plays a very big role as a platform, and teachers are people who hold their hand and take to the end and make a success out of it. About the workshop, I want to add a little bit that we are conducting workshops across India, and we are on a mission to train about 50,000 students in drone technology. In this workshops we did last in Bangalore, we did first workshop in Bangalore with Dean's Academy, and then next workshop we did in Ahmedabad last month, and again we are doing in Ahmedabad. This workshop's concluded today, and then we are looking at doing workshop next in Hyderabad, and next in Assam, and then in Mumbai. So we are continuing to do workshops across India and training thousands and thousands of students and empowering them with drone technology. So drone is a great tool to train them on STEM, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, that helps students to build up creativity, problem solving, and also help collaborative learning, etc. So it is a powerful tool to promote that, and hence this workshops is being successful across a nation. Thank you so much, and I would request whoever is interested can see the description, and as well as can visit our website called berryavionics.com. You'll find the details in the workshop section about where the next workshop is, etc., and can inquire us if they want to conduct in their schools. So thank you so much for reaching us.
Thank you so much, Uyes, for that sharing, and definitely we'll see to it that many schools and students enroll into this beautiful workshop and enhance their skill set. Jazakallah.